alaikum viewers, how are you? My name is Bilal Akfar and welcome to Easy Coding with BG. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about HTML uh, HTML text fields, text boxes and check boxes and HTML text input controls, single line text input controls, and we have discussed about password input controls and multi-line text input controls. But today in this lecture we will discuss about HTML form, HTML buttons and file select boxes and hidden controls. So for this we will move to our browser. So today first we will uh, see how we can insert a button tag in our form. So for this there are two methods of inserting buttons. First is by inserting an input type by inserting an input type tag, and second by inserting a button tag. So we will first we will try the first method. Let's start. We'll write here input and type equal to submit, and name is equal to submit, and value is also equal to submit. I will simply close this. I will just simply save this. I will move back to my browser and run this. So you can see that the button of submit has been appeared. So if I want another button, so I will simply copy this and paste it. So I will simply change its type, name and value. I will simply write here reset and reset. Reset and reset. I will simply save this and I will move back to my browser and refresh this. You can see that the reset button has also been appeared in our form. So we will check how these buttons actually work. So for this I will write here my name like Bilal Akfar, and I will write my password here, and in the text area box I will just simply write here hello, my name is Bilal Akfar. So I will, if I submit this, write here Bilal, I will simply submit this. So you can see that why it's not working. So we'll try another name like Muhammad Hassan, my name, and I will write password here like, and in the text area box I will write here hello guys, how are you. So I will simply submit this. If I submit this, so you can see that my name, the first name is showing me here, this is my first name, and that this is my password, and in the text area which I write hello guys, how are you. So you can see that our information has been submitted successfully. So So you can see that how the submit button actually works in our form. So if I write here name again and password, I write here, and in the text field I write here hello, hello guys, what are you doing nowadays, what are you doing nowadays. So I will simply, if I click on this button reset, so you can see that all our information has been removed from the text fields. So you can see that how this reset button actually works in our form. So this was the first method of inserting buttons. So we will see about the second method of inserting buttons. So for this I will simply remove this, and I will insert a tag of button here. In the button type, we will write here submit, and we will write here submit. We will simply copy this and paste it in the next line. Basically, first of all, we will just remove this, and I will save this. Then move back to my browser and refresh this. You can see that the buttons has been removed. So now we will insert another method of inserting buttons. So we will just copy this, we'll just paste this, and we'll again copy this and just paste it into another line. Copy this and paste it into the next line. So we will just change this information to reset, reset, and reset, reset. We'll save this, and we'll move back to my browser and refresh this. You can see that all those two buttons has been appeared in our form again, and these buttons will also work in the same, and these buttons will also work in the same. So you can see that how we can add buttons in our form. And how these buttons actually works in the form. So subscribe our channel in Easy Coding with BG and press the bell icon so you will never miss the updates. And Jazakallah, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.